Random piece of metal, or is it a Volkswagen hubcap remover? Just that easy. That way you don't mess up your paint job. Neat. So, got under the bus, and I believe that is an engine mount. I would have to say that is an engine mount up there. And see what it's missing? See what it's missing, kids? There's no f***ing bolt! And there you go. There's one bolt through the engine mount. And you can see the other one nice and shiny over there. Holy shit. Crisis averted. So that's where the battery tray was. Brought it out a long time ago. They put a plate just kind of laying in there. You don't know how badly I want to stick my head through that hole. Actually got a piece of metal in there. Don't look at my welds. And it looks pretty good. Through a back of a reflector. It's gonna work perfect. There's a little delete plate though. That way I can get rid of those holes there. So bought a slip-on. Made my own flange. Saved myself like 60 bucks. Totally gonna increase my performance. What's up? Yeah, I just polished that whole exhaust there so I could actually like kind of see myself. It's pretty fucking rad. Yeah. And what do we do about rotten rocker panels? Well, we shove some foam in there. And then we cut it off. And then we bonded that. Because I'm lazy. Cool. Yeah. I have to try gluing that on. Oh no, that's masking tape. That's masking tape. That's not even the duct tape. They ran out of the good stuff. That's just regular old duct tape. It's gonna feel so good. Oh man. Oh yeah, still sticky. See that? Oh yeah. Oh. Oh yeah. What do we got? Yeah, see there? There we go. We got the real duct tape. See, that stuff was still sticky. 40 freaking years later. Do a little recap. There was a giant dent here. There was no metal here. There was a hole right here. There was another hole right here. Another hole there. Nothing on the rocker panels. And there's actually a rocker panel now. Welded in that spot there. We had a rear marker light hole there that I patched up, and that's fixed. Same thing on this side. There's my weld-in piece there, blended it in. Whole bottom of the siding door is there, and I got the door. So yeah, now this door is actually one piece, because this is all, the door skin is glued together, and that hole is filled in. So now when you close it, it thunks and nothing's rattling around. Nice. You guys probably thought I was crazy when I was putting foam in that rocker panel, but it does come out pretty good. Just, you know, admit that because I haven't finished that. So, ran out of paint. That's the end of that. That's how it's gonna stay. Who wants to buy it? Alright guys, I'm not gonna lie. I'm pretty nervous. I'm gonna attempt to take this baby out on 390. See if she can make it up to 55. I am terrified.